Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to offer buy now, pay later on Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what we need to do is simply head over to our basically app store from the top and search in here for buy now, pay later, and then search for that. Now just wait for a couple of seconds. You can see we have various options in here to choose from: pay later, split pay, cipher, and lay buys virtual terminal, and buy me, and stuff like that. So you can use, like, for example, this one, and you can see you can incorporate purchase now and pay later type of incorporation. You can choose to deposit in percentage or pay in full and stuff like that. So pretty simple. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and see you guys in the next video. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.